Now we will discuss that is in question. Right, hold on. Then proceed. Sit down. Then proceed. Then next one is root a plus b. General product का जाने से हमारा पढ़ते हैं that is your a plus b whole into a minus b. That is the formula. Whose formula? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula. So similarly, apply the same concept here. Nothing extra. Just apply the same concept here. If here is given and number 7 is given 8. If root a minus root b whole into root a plus root b. Same thing is happening here. A plus b minus a plus b whole into a minus b. A square minus b square. That will be a square. Just forget about root a. Here is written only just think x minus y and x plus y. X square minus y square and root a square minus root b square. Already in one question that root a square a, so obviously answer will have what? A square should a minus b. अब rationalizing को पढ़ी कर important क्वेश्चन ऐसा बनता rationalizing denominator को पढ़ी कर ठीक है जी. Then next what is given is उनका सॉरी ना हो रहा हाँ root a root b root c root d root a root b 9 root a plus root b whole into root c plus root d and similarly root a minus root b whole into root c minus root d. Don't be confused. 11 number root a plus root b whole into root c minus root d and root c minus root d whole into root a plus root b. Normal operation, normal solve करेगा और डबल तो it is simply कौन होगा नॉर्मल a b c की तरह कौन करते हैं root a into whole term total term multiply root b into total term percent so root a into root c how much equal to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Is that clear or not? Then next come to the second one. Same or apply same concept here. You have to multiply root a with whole term and you have to and again multiply root b with the whole term. That will equal to root a into root c, that is root ac. Now minus root ad minus root bc plus root bd. Why plus? Because two negatives is there. Root b into root d equal to root bd minus plus. Now next one, another one is root a into root c, that is how much? Root ac, root a into d minus root ad, then root bc, that is how much? Plus root bc, then bd, root bd. Clear or not? Same. तो हमको दरकार most probably maximum this formula is very very important. हम तो denominator equalize हमारा denominator को हम क्या करें rationalize करेंगे है ना rationalizing denominator is very very important with that formula. A minus b plus c equal to x square minus b square and so on. So आपने the same concept here root c into a same root ac and minus plus root bc and then root ad then minus root bd and so on. Okay, then next upon always in there. Okay. Hey, sit. Hey, just sit. Now, root a plus root b the whole square, root a plus root b the root a minus root b the whole square. 30. Root a plus root b the whole square. 40. Root a minus root b the whole square. Simply r square कौन बनेगा a, r square कौन बनेगा b. Plus 2 root ab. Similarly, a plus b minus 2 root ab. Okay. Now come to the very important topic, that is rationalizing. Simplify the following expression. Same concept. So question देता हूँ मैं बड़ी question दे रहा हूँ. Question is root 11 minus root 7 plus root 11 minus root 7. Now question is just on the base of this formula. Now for example root 3 minus root 5 whole into root 3 plus root 5. Question. Now root 3 plus root 5 root 6 plus root 2 root a minus b, that is root 3 minus root 5 root cd root 6 minus root 2 and so on. Question very good. Now let's come to the important formula, important topic, that is rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. And the question बहुत ऐसी हुआ तो बिल्कुल ओरिजिनल नहीं. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator there must be a irrational number or irrational form. There must be a irrational number. Applying question. ठीक है. Rationalize the denominator. Is that clear or not? Rationalize the denominator. Now let's continue. For example, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. There is a irrational number present in the denominator. So denominator को हटे ही denominator को rational हो जाएगा. We have to make it rational. We have to rationalize. For example, question is height by root 3 minus root 5. Question is height divided by root 5 minus root 3. Then the irrational factors, we have to make them rationalize. We have to make it rationalize. Our rational number can be one. So action just close your eyes and if the symbol is minus, multiply with plus. अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब कथा करो, मतलब multiply करेगी, 1 multiply करेगी, कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा कि, कुछ आपको पड़ेगा कि, कुछ आपको पड़ेगा. नहीं पड़ेगा. अच्छा, let take your name, any of you. जब मुझे वन जगह मल्टीप्लाई करेगी दिया बाय दिया किस फर्क पड़ेगा कि डेफिनेटली नॉट. तो जब मल्टीप्लाई करेगी फॉर एग्जांपल कैबेज करके कैबेज किस फर्क पड़ेगा कि डेफिनेटली नॉट. फॉर एग्जांपल यदि मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूँ 5 by 5 किस फर्क पड़ेगा कि डेफिनेटली नॉट. Because itself is 1 and 1 is a multiplicative identity, multiplicative inverse. Indirectly I am multiplying 1, nothing else. So instead of multiplying a number, I will multiply this number. For example, this is A, this is B. In the format, now this is in the format of A minus B. I will multiply root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Any impact for you? No. Count by multiply by because if I multiply this one, then this will come in the format A minus A plus B. But count can be how to solve? That is 5 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. Because a square minus a square equal to 5 whole into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 5 square plus square is 5 is 0 minus 3 which is equal to 5 4 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2. It is answer. Rest of the P like equal P can be anything but Q must be a positive or negative number, not 0 or not a irrational number. Is that clear or not? Now let's go. It just say question. So the question था क्या? For example, 5 divided by root 5 plus root 3. So then in that case what we will do? Plus number. So if there is plus, just close your eyes, multiply minus A minus B. If A plus B given, then multiply A minus B. Or if there is even A minus B, then just multiply A plus B, nothing else. So multiply here root 5 minus root 3. तो ये root 5 plus root 3 है तो कौन मल्टीप्लाई करें root 5 minus root 3. So we have to multiply root 5 minus root 3. सेठी plus multiply करते हैं numerator denominator. Now just multiply here root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3. Now what will the answer? 5 whole into root 5 minus root 3 divided by A plus B, A minus B. Same here. Root 5 A square minus B square. Answer will be 5 root 5 minus root 3 divided by this one is 5 minus 3 same. Very good. Root 5 minus root 3 you have to keep bracket here, otherwise answer will be wrong. Here is the answer. The difference is in numerator root 5 plus root 3, in denominator root 5 minus root 3. Why do you multiply there? The numerator same side will become. Same side will become. If another question, if question will be required, then for example, that is 6 minus 2 root 3. 6 divided by 2 root 3 minus root 4. Don't be panic, same, just take this one A, this one B. I am keeping multiply with A plus B, that is 2 root 3 plus root 4. Root 4 is nothing, 4, just write root 9. I know. And 2 root 3 plus root 9. Then A plus B, A minus B, A plus B. Formula A square minus B square. Over there. Then proceed. This is all about your fast number system. Your number system is complete.